Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic country farmhouse decor. Let's start the video. Fantastic country farmhouse decor is a charming and inviting interior design style that blends the rustic warmth of country farmhouse aesthetics with the romantic, soft elegance of fantastic elements. It emphasizes comfort, nostalgia, and lived-in beauty, often using natural materials, distressed finishes, soft colors, and antique or repurposed items. Key elements of fantastic country farmhouse decor. First, farmhouse foundation. Use natural materials like wood, often iodide or reclaimed stone, and iron. Exposed beams and chipnap, architectural features that add texture and rustic charm. Open shelving, especially in kitchens to display vintage dishware or jars. Farmhouse sinks and apron fronts, iconic and functional in kitchens. Fantastic layering, antique or replicas. Clocks, mirrors, farmhouse with patina or ornate details. Distressed furniture, whitewashed or chipped paint finishes that evoke age and wear. Use romantic textiles like lace, linen, cotton with floral prints or soft pastel tones. Color palette. Use neutrals and soft pastels like cream, ivory, pale blue, shades, blush pink, and muted gray. Warm whites, frequently used on walls and furniture for a cozy feel. Natural wood tones to ground the space and add rustic warmth. Decorative accents, mason jars and crocks for storage or as vases and candle holders. Vintage sign and typography, bakery, farm fresh eggs, or antique advertisements. Oats, iron, and galvanized metal in baskets, wall art, and lighting fixtures. Wicker, rattan, and baskets for storage that adds texture and warmth. Ambient and lighting. Candlelights with crystal or iron. Mix of elegance and rustic. Lamps with fabric shades, soft light and vintage patterns. Candles and lanterns to create a cozy lived-in vibe. Florals and nature, fresh or foxflowers. Use wildflowers, lavender or cotton stems, botanical prints in artwork or fabrics, wooden crosses or tin buckets used for planters or decor. Common rooms styled this way: kitchen, open shelves with vintage dishes, a farmhouse table, but block counters. Living room, use slip-covered sofas, barn doors, antique coffee tables, and layered rugs. Bedroom, use old iron bed frames, ruffled bedding, and vintage mirrors. Bathroom, use cloth tubs, pedestal sinks, old-fashioned upholstery jars. What is fantastic country farmhouse decor? Fantastic country farmhouse decor is a hybrid style that merges the down-to-earth comfort and rustic elements of country farmhouse style. The soft elegance and romantic touches of vintage chic design. The result is a cozy, nostalgic yet stylish atmosphere, ideal for anyone who wants their home to feel warm, lived in, and lovingly crafted. Origins and inspiration. Farmhouse style jobs draws from old rural farmhouses and cottages. Practicality and simplicity are at the heart. Everything has a purpose. Materials are often repurposed due to budget and availability, which lead to the distressed, imperfect beauty we admire today. Fantastic influence inspired by French country style, Shabby and cottagecore emphasizes soft colors, antique pieces, and romantic details, adds a feminine and graceful twist to rustic foundations. Core features in detail, mix of old and new, combined with these finds like an old sideboard or candelier, with modern functionality like new upholstery or appliances with retro finishes. Think an antique table paired with contemporary slip-covered chairs. Handcrafted and repurposed items, DIY and upcycling are common. Painted furniture, messenger lights, or reclaimed wood headboard. Embrace pieces that tell a story, even if they are chipped, faded, or mismatched. Layer textures, linen, burlap, lace, cotton, and ruffled fabrics create visual softness. Use area rugs, curtains, throws, and cushions with varied textures to add depth. Functional decor. Decoratives are not just for show. They serve a purpose. Creators for storage, enameler bowls as planters, old ladders as towel holders, or blanket racks. Personal touches. Display family heirlooms, flea market finds, or handmade pieces. Sentimental or story-filled items give character to the space. How to achieve the look in your home? Do shop vintage markets or check the stores. Mix feminine and rustic elements. Use natural and soft colors with occasional pops of pastels. Include own and imperfect finishes. Flaws are part of the charm. Don't go overboard with frills. Balance is key. Make everything match too perfectly. Mismatched is intentional and beautiful. Use too many bright or bold modern elements. Keep it subtle and cohesive. The philosophy behind vintage country farmhouse decor. This decor style is not just about looks, it is about creating a feeling, comfort. Spaces feel cozy, warm, and lived in. Nostalgia. There is a deep sense of history and memory in every page. Simplicity. It follows function over fuss and beauty in imperfections. Individuality. It reflects personal taste, history, and creativity. Nothing should feel mass product or scarcely. This is a home where you display your grandmother's china, hang old family photos in weathered frames, and use handmade quilts or found objects that carry meaning. Materials and finishes. Authenticity is key, and the materials used reflect that natural elements. Reclaimed wood, flooring, walls, beams, and furniture, galvanized steel, light fixtures, containers, and wall art, oat iron, bed frames, curtain jars, and candle holders. Soft finishes, whitewashed paint, chippy or distressed furniture, milk paint or chalk paint techniques. Fabrics. Use grain silk linen, cotton, and muslin, burlap accents, ruffles, and lace. These materials are simple and organic, but given an elegant twist with vintage shapes and thoughtful detail. Farmhouse styles. The furniture is the style is crafted, not coordinated. Look for farmhouse tables with chunky turned legs or raw wood tops. Buffets or hatches painted in faded white or dark egg blue. Sleep-covered sofas in neutral tones, like soft, inviting, and often oversized. Distressed memory or just with vintage hardware. Iron or spindle beds, often painted white or black for contrast. Wooden benches, vintage trunks, and repurposed items like doors turned into headboards. The goal is the collected of a time look. Emotional connection. Why this style resonates. Fantastic country farmhouse decor is not just beautiful, it is emotionally comforting. Here is why nostalgia and memory. It celebrates the past. Your grandmother's linen, flower market finds, handwritten recipe cards. Every chipped, edged, or faded print feels like a story, not a flaw. Warmth and hospitality. It invites people in soft lighting, cozy setting, and personal touches. Make it welcoming and informal. The space is not perfect. It is lived in. It says make yourself at home. Creativity and individuality. It is not about trends, it is about crafting your life story for heirlooms, handmade goods, and gifted treasures. Cultural influences. American farmhouse, rooted in the rural homestead of the US, simple, strong, and built from what was available. Use barn doors, grain sack fabrics, weathered wood, and practical storage. English cottage charm, cozy nooks, floral prints, old armchairs, and lace curtains, inspired by country living in small, charming spaces. French country vintage, elegant curves in furniture, muted pastels, tall fabrics, and old iron details. Adds romance and refinement to otherwise rustic spaces. This style is a beautiful blend of all three, warm, welcoming, and ever so slightly refined. Seasonal styling tips. Each seasons offer a new way to embrace this style without changing everything. Spring and fox or fresh tulips, lavender or daisies. Use floral pillows or pastel ceramics. Bring out your vintage Easter or garden themed finds. Summer. Lighter fabrics, soft, heavier drapes for linen or lace. Use kitschus, herbs, or sunflowers as natural accents. Baskets and galvanized buckets for pots and patio styling. Atom. Bring in pumpkins, white and muted orange, plate rose and candles, dried florals or wheat bundles in messengers, richer tones like mustard, rust, and olive. Winter. Cozy pictures, layered quilts, chunky knit throws, fox fur. Vintage holiday decorations, think mercury glass and old ornaments. Use pine cones, greenery, and antique candle holders. Storage ideas that match the style. Storage in this decor is functional and beautiful. Use old crates as shelves or underbed bins. Wicker baskets in every room, pretty and perfect for hidden clutter. Glass jars for pantry, laundry, or bathroom essentials. Vintage trunks as coffee tables or bench sitting with storage. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.